Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to become eligible for LayerZero's next drop. So basically this is going to be a cryptocurrency talk. So step 1, set up your Web3 wallet. You can download and install a Web3 wallet like Metatask or Trust Wallet. These two right here are going to be the works. Secure your seed phrase in safe location, which is going to be offline. Of course guys, ensure your wallet is compatible with Ethereum and other LayerZero supported chains like Arbitrum, Optimism, and BNB chain. Bridge assets using LayerZero protocols. By using Stargate Finance, bridge tokens, and make multiple small transactions over time to simulate organic use. This is actually the underrated way of making this work. Make sure that this right here is going to be doable on your ends. Like, you make sure that this is done, alright? So step 3 is going to be provide liquidity for Stargate Finance. Visit the pools section on Stargate Finance. Add liquidity by depositing stable coins into available pools. Stay invested guys for a few days or weeks to show consistent usage. Again guys, this one's consistent usage and this one simulate a organic use are basically the same. So vote on Stargate governance protocols or proposals. Connect your e-wallet by participating on governance votes is eligible. Voting helps demonstrate community engagement. That is actually really important also. Step 5. Interact with other LayerZero based apps. Try out dApps that use LayerZero tech, such like Tapioca, DAO, Radiant Capital, and Rage Trade. Make swaps, deposits to vaults, or stake tokens. Of course, the next one is going to be stay active and engage with community. Follow LayerZero on Twitter or Discord updates. And make sure that community is always really active. Step 7. Keep a log of wallet addresses. Use the tools like the bank or Zapper to track your wallet activity across the chains. Now these are my final tips for you guys. Use multiple wallets for a better chance of eligibility, but avoid spammy behavior. Take note about that one. Focus on quality interactions over sheer volume. Take note guys, this is my actual number 2 suggestion on everything. Do not just communicate or share a lot, but focus on quality interactions. Small or little interactions, but their quality. And then be patient. Airdrop snapshots are often taken secretly. Take note about this one. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.